Hello there, you're watching Bizworld. Bank Negara reiterated that the economy will expand between 5.5 and 6.5% this year, underpinned by continued expansion in global demand and higher private sector expenditure. With that, Governor Tan Sri Nur Shamsiah Muhammad Yunus said Malaysia is well positioned to gain as global growth and trade bounce back, as observed in 2021. The Governor also pointed out that strong external demand for electrical and electronics products and commodities would contribute to further expansion in export-oriented sectors. Also, the broad-based improvement in overall income, employment conditions and consumer sentiments would provide a lift to household spending. The central bank will be announcing its latest assessment on the economy next month. The Governor said the continuation of major investment projects in key economic sectors, such as in E&E, manufacturing and digital investments, would lift growth further. Headline inflation is likely to remain moderate this year as the base effect from fuel inflation dissipates. Malaysia's total trade recorded an upward trend, growing 5.5% in December 2021 compared to the previous month. According to Chief Statistician Datuk Sri Muhammad Uzir Mahidin, the export value rose by 10.4% to 123.8 billion ringgit against November. It was reflected by the increment in exports of machinery and transport equipment. The export unit value index grew 0.2% compared with the preceding month, contributed by the increases in index of animal and vegetable oils and fats. Meanwhile, imports declined 0.4% month-on-month to 92.9 billion ringgit, driven by the deterioration in imports of mineral fuels.
From a music executive to an airline magnate, one of Asia's most recognizable entrepreneurs, known globally for his appetite for risk and innovation, having received accolades from international media and industry observers. Up close with Tan Sri Tony Fernandez on Money Matters this Saturday at 5 p.m. only on TV3.
Meta Platforms Inc.'s one-day crash now ranks as the worst in stock market history. The Facebook parent plunged 26% yesterday on the back of woeful earnings results and erased about $252 billion in market value, the biggest wipeout in market value for any US company ever. Analysts are pointing to the stiff competition that Meta now faces from rivals and to the fact that revenue was below expectations as causes for concern. Twitter Inc., Snap Inc. and Pinterest Inc. all closed lower yesterday and dragged the Nasdaq index down 4.2%, its worst sell-off since September 2020. Meta's market cap as of Wednesday's stood at roughly $900 billion. Meanwhile, Mark Zuckerberg became $31 billion poorer as a result of the crash. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Zuckerberg's net worth dropped to $89.6 billion after losing some $35.9 billion year to date. His one-day wealth loss is among the largest on record after Tesla co-founder Elon Musk suffered a $35 billion single-day paper loss in November. Yesterday also saw other tech billionaires suffering losses. Musk lost $3.44 billion overnight, while Amazon's Jeff Bezos dropped to third on the list after losing $11.9 billion.
And then all of these parts, as they are finished, so to speak.
That's all for now. I'm Nadia Azmi. Keep tuning in to TV3.